This is a quick video on how I replace the fan motor for a 1995 e34 530i with a V8. Anyway, so you gotta, to start, remove two bolts from the water tank reservoir. Disconnected. This hook goes on the cover that goes on here. The cover that goes here has 5 of number 7 little bolts. Then these brackets go with the metal cover that goes on top that holds these on the side here, and one on that side. Once you remove this, you kind of just push it out. You gotta lift the weather stripping because the metal brace that covers this goes right here. Pull it out and then just kind of lift it up and you're good to go. Then you get to that cover. You see that cover right there, that top piece covers this piece here, which in fact goes with this cover. This cover's held with 2 little clips, which are these right here, one on each side. You kind of lift those. Be careful because they kind of jump and you might end up losing it. Once you remove that, you come to the motor. There's 2 wires, right? And you can't go wrong because the way the connections are, they only fit into one way. Oh, this piece here holds the top cover, which is that one. Kind of unclip this, and this was attached to this, so you gotta kind of cut it off. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to take the top cover off. You get a little pick or something, and you hold it from the little hole right there. Lift it up, the motor comes right out. I should just kind of clean in there because it's dusty. Kind of clean there, vacuum it or something, and then just put everything back together. Any questions, hit me up.